I'm going to record it. I'm taking a picture.
Cool. Everyone else is too. Now we stop.
I gotta go get shoes.
No, you don't. Just stand here. Look, Mommy doesn't have shoes on. Brienne doesn't have shoes on.
No one can go across that.
No,
Whose dog is that?
I don't know. It's okay.
See, guys, they have tires in the road so the tree can land on a bunch of tires and won't break the pavement.
Who's the one doing it?
Spike.
Because if it fell on the road, it would crack it.
Yep.
And go boom.
And it's not going to hit another house?
Oh, it's gonna probably land right where those rocks are on the corner.
Oh, it's coming this way?
Because he has it pie cut.
Mm.
Mom, but who is gonna cut it?
They will after they make it fall.
What is that dog doing?
I don't know. That's the Haynes' dog.
Hey, what's the dog?
For people that live right here in this wood house. Right here. Right here.
There are dogs sitting right anywhere. So it says,
Doesn't want to come.
are those real dogs?
He's gonna have to fire up the